What's up, everybody? I want to talk to you about this roof that I'm doing here on my mom's house. We were in California for the last few days getting this roof done, and I want to just go through quick points of why I chose this roof, why I chose this underlayment for my mom's house. And it's because it's going to last forever in her case, and it's something that I'm not going to have to worry about for a very, very long time. So we started out getting some Titanium FR self-adhered underlayment. It's got a SureFoot technology, which is safe for the roofers to walk around. It's self-adhered, which means it sticks to the actual roof, which means you're not getting those twists, turns, nail pullouts as the roofers walk on it. A lot of people forget that the underlayment isn't the thing you want to go cheap on, because the underlayment goes down first, and then you have roofers up here with bundles of shingles, nail guns, drills, flashing, and that usually gets twisted, turned, it weakens and it breaks and it rips over time as they're installing the roof. So your membrane almost becomes pointless once it has all that wear and tear on it, and especially if you leave it out in the sun for too long, that deteriorates it, and you're just losing that second line of defense for that water shedding capabilities. So the Titanium FR, I think it's the UDL50, which basically just means that it's self-adhered, it's fire rated, so it slows the spread of fire, whether it's from the inside or the outside, keeps you safe so that your family can get out of the home if there is a fire, or so it gives you more time for the fire department to come and put the fire out to save your home. So those are huge properties, especially here in California, that we love to see going in on roofs. Paired with that Titanium FR, we are actually putting on the Duration Cool Owens Corning shingle. What I love about these shingles is they have solar reflective properties inside of them and granulates inside of them that reflect that sunlight off of your roof to keep your roof cooler than your traditional asphalt shingle. Now, this helps with efficiency in the home, which is always a positive, but it also helps with the duration of your shingle life. If you don't know this, the wear and tear for your shingles over time is usually the heat that those shingles retain, and that makes the shingles brittle, which makes it easier for the wind to blow off. And that's how you have weak points. And once that starts on your roof, then you have more and more issues, especially when you kind of see those roofs like this roof used to look. You'll see that a lot of those granulates had fallen off and they're starting to like slough off. That's due to just that heating and cooling of the shingles. So when they have that reflective properties that reflect some of that heat, you're going to get a better roof for a longer period of time, which is a bonus because no one likes doing roofs, right? And the last thing that I want to point out about the Duration Cool shingles here from Owens Corning, and I'm pretty sure most of their shingles have this, is this Owens Corning SureNail strip. This is like a nylon tape that goes across the nailing area, which gives the roofers the ability to have a guide where to nail, and it's a lot easier to hit than just a thin line. As well, it gives you a 3-ply nailing spot to where these shingles are rated up to 130-mile-an-hour winds, which is basically hurricane force winds. It helps it so the shingle doesn't pull out. If you've ever done a test on a shingle or you've ripped shingles off, once the shingle's warm and you have nails in that line and you pull it up, it just rips right off because that asphalt shingle heats up and it becomes almost malleable, and then your nails just rip right through. So with this Teflon tape or this nylon tape here, you don't get to pull that nail head right through the shingle. It gives you a lot of stick when you try to pull that off, which is great for wind. It's got a class 3 impact rating, which is great. So for hail, other things like that, you're gonna have a really strong roof. So we chose to go with this for my mom's roof so she doesn't have to worry about it. And I highly recommend doing this for your roof. Again, this is something that you don't wanna replace for the next 25, 35 years. So go with the proper materials to start with, and you're going to be better off in the future. And then whenever you are going to have to replace your roof, if you're going to have to replace your roof, you're going to have a really strong roof decking and surface to do a new roof on without having to worry about ripping up your old roof, seeing a bunch of rot and mold or whatever's happening under that roof. You're going to know that your framing and your roof decking is in good condition if you are going to have to replace that roof at any time. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you for watching, and if you get information out of this or you have likes, dislikes, what's your opinions, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you all in the next one. Much love.